Hi, I'm Sammy with Bar Under the Stairs, and today I'm going to show you how to make a sophisticated watermelon Jolly Rancher cocktail. So I was just playing around one day and created this cocktail. I didn't intend to make a candy tasting drink, but it just turned out to actually taste exactly like a watermelon Jolly Rancher for some reason. So that's what this is about. Let's make this drink. I'm gonna grab the shaker tins and I'm gonna get some fresh watermelon juice. It's really easy to juice watermelons. You just cube a watermelon and then use a hand squeeze juicer to get the juice out and strain it. 2 ounces of fresh watermelon juice. Now 2 ounces of Aperol. This is an aperitif, so it's going to make the final cocktail low alcohol by volume. We're gonna do 2 ounces of Aperol. We're gonna follow that with 1 ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice. We're gonna take some Demerara syrup. That is sugar in the raw made into simple syrup. So you just add equal parts sugar in the raw to equal parts water and heat it up until it forms a syrup. So 3/4 ounce of Demerara syrup. Last but not least, 2 dashes of orange bitters. We'll add a few ice cubes and give it a shake. So I'm gonna grab a Collins glass and I'm going to add some ice to it. I'm gonna grab a strainer and just go ahead and pour it right into the glass. So just grab some grapefruit soda and pour it on top of the drink. Grab your bar spoon and just give it a few stirs. It is a watermelon Jolly Rancher. I haven't had this since I created it a week ago, and it's seriously a watermelon Jolly Rancher. So this is an alcoholic watermelon Jolly Rancher. I don't know how, I don't know why, but it just is. So enjoy it. I'm Sammy with Bar Under the Stairs. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and let us know what you'd like us to make on the show. Thank you.